back again the weekend vlog out here in the streets. Damn, it's gonna be rain. I'm in Chiba City right now with the head Nico Robbie, and then we head out to Tokyo weekend vlog. I'm gonna show you little vibes, isn't me? So no, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be here this hearing you for do. Yeah, so link up. Hey Chicho, I'm back here outside to the vlog again. So saying, sorry. Don't look at myself with thump in their face. Away upon the third waist man. Well, the second waist man, because I am not a waist.
You already count yourself in there, yeah?
Well, I can edit it, that's the problem. Editing. Waiting on the second waist man, because I am not included. Kingpin over there.
I certain waist Kingpin.
Kingpin. Him know what the pimpin. Bloody night, fam. Alright, so you have to get in the 7-Eleven to get the thing right. What we doing, fam? You alright, love? Yo, man, what you on, man? Yo, what this man on here? Wait, so we're drinking outside?
No, but it's not here yet, so we'll get one.
Man, thirsty. Well, I've been drinking thing right there.
It's a hot day.
No, hot day. It's warm.
It's a warm day.
I'm so sorry. Wow. She said she don't like. First, she don't want to party night at all. The party night at all. Anyway, that's not my time. Them say, Lego, oh, what's this? Is a party this? Oh, Panzerotti. No, I'm gonna need one of them. I'm gonna need one of them now. So what's that? What's it? A Panzerotti ichimai kudasai. Panzerotti ichimai. Panzerotti? Hai. Kono yatsu.
Milano no margherita ne.
It's a Panzerotti desu kedo. Mo ii kara sa, nanne imi wakannai. Alright, so I don't know how I end up here for these Americans and colonizers. A joke. Alright, out here, Asakusa. Finders keepers what? What are you talking about, fam? Yo! Bro, the place is dead, fam. What are you talking about? Dead! This is dead, fam. What is this? Man, we have me out here till freaking midnight. Tourist things. This is Ass Kiss with Moot. If you know, you know, fam. You get me. Hurry up and get out of this bloody place, fam. You see me? It is what it is. What was it, Nakano? Out here like a yes man. This is the deadest of the deadest nights, people. The place is dead, fam. Dude. Anyway, so we're doing nothing. People here shopping and buying all sort of stuff. Crazy vibes. A hot summer evening. That's what we do.
It's like you said. It's the atmosphere. You know?
No damn atmosphere. No good about this is up. This is so wild, bro.
The atmosphere is not
Asakasa.
fucking.
Asakasa. I'm talking myself.
Why looking for the Gucci store? Fucking Louis Vuitton.
Anyway, outside. Saturday night vibes, isn't it? So it's real Japan style. On the streets, like a real street touch. Jesus Christ, dog.
That's so,
Anyway, alright, listen, let me tell you. I tell people about customer service in Japan. There are differences and different levels. So they go to these places like Yokocho and these drinking district. It's the whole polite Japanese thing that don't keep anymore. Literally, the woman said, oh, you pay bill? Get the F out the table. Somebody's waiting.
Drink here. Glass with no wine.
So we're out here drinking wine in the streets. No, Jesus Christ. Yo, boss, come back. Come here, what are you doing? Yo. After that, it's mad.
Outside.
It's a bit sweet. So what's your casa? I have a problem in the world.
I don't give a shit.
Yo, it's a random night in Tokyo, and that's David Blaine. I'll show the pictures later. Yeah, I believe that's David Blaine. It's crazy, bro. Alright, that's it. I met David Blaine, that's crazy. Still can't believe I casually just met David Blaine. Now I'm heading to Roppongi, collect my money. Probably a little partying. Alright, outside.
次は六本木です。都営大江戸線はお乗り換えです。The next stop is 六本木。
From the club to the salon, like to the hair being redone. God, boy, people, they look grimy. Look like somebody never took care of me for about a couple 12 years or so. Friend looked at me and said, it's the 2 months this. When last you do your hair? I said 2 months, you know what I'm saying? My friend go to work still, but I'm like, there from about 10:40 ish, 10:30. One mash, and she do the thing. You see me, so make sure you come to the Divine Studio if you're on this side of the world up here. So very accommodating and cozy location. And you can walk from the train station, but the walk worth it, you understand? So just come through, do the thing, and ram, boom, boom, boom. And the number that will love you. Alright? Good luck. Yeah, man, big us the girl in the near done the girls and burn. Me. Yeah, let's to the side of go see doing and thing I was also look like a species. About me, us. Them dead man dead, wow. Alrighty. In Japan that are more rural. You have to actually to walk across the tracks and it come down, right? To walk across the tracks and come into the train station. So this is not like what you usually see. So alright, so I'm back home. My home station. Hair did. Looking good. See you in the next vlog, guys. In a minute, I'm back. We're gonna take over the place. We'll show you how I'm living. If you want, come through. Boom bam boom bam boom.